Stevon_34SRT. Ain't no more magic life. It's Burt life, baby. Yeah. Tune into the channel, man. We got footage every day, man. Burt life season. Let's go. Over here at ARC. Hey, this is my hard. I love this color. Got the Sandman wheel with the Buick symbol with the Tierra grill. Got the Santis. Well, he got that bad boy tucking. When I say he got that bad boy tucking, he got that bad boy tucking.
Yeah, tell me.
Wow. He got a lot of stuff over there, boy. A lot of whips he working on. Got the frame off. Then this is the Eldorado. Got 6s on the back. Frame off. Pretty clean. Got a Monte Carlo over there too. Feel like you better go in the boot. Cobalt blue, twin turbo setup. Got the Chevy symbol in the firewall. '71 hard top. Clean floors. Real clean floors. I don't know if they replaced them or what, but they nice. Candied everything. Okay. Okay. Veil. Got a little everything at Rail Shop. I see something with Lambo doors over there. Crazy. Over here at ARC. If you got a bent up frame, that'll get you right. Well, Rail ain't playing no games, man. Look at that. Skirt tight. Tight. What's going on here? 6 to 8. 8. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Rear end short and everything, huh? Okay, 96.
Support the here, boy. What I got here, I'm trying to make this seam in here.
Okay.
And what happened is, My man put the metal in here, but he didn't put the little curve in the middle.
Ooh, okay.
Right? So what I gotta do is I gotta build it out, and then I gotta make the curve in the middle and even with the rest of the curve. That's it. But the rest of this is flat. But this right here, this made here.
Yeah.
Made here. Take a whole lot of time.
I believe.
But guess what? Time makes money.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know.
Got Big Beefy over here. But they ain't playing around up in here. Maryland got some toys out here. Okay. Maryland got some toys out here. Toys. 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 Oh.
Nah, turn it to the left side. Yeah. There you go.
Hey. So, this is what I need. Exactly what I need. That was so clean.
Pero quitar si va para adelante, hay que sacarlo, si es que mi amigo no lo metió bien.
There you go.
There you go.
Hey Pat, dump parts. I want some I want a discount for pushing a time shop.
Swag things all day. At Walmart Vision Center, get school-ready glasses at low prices. Click below to find the Walmart Vision Center nearest you.
So how long do you think it'll take Jack to bring his new glasses?
Right there, right there.
He's really growing up. Scratch that. At Walmart Vision Center, all our frames come with a free 1-year replacement guarantee. Click below to find a location near you.
You got me out here sweating dump parts, man. But you got a clean 7 tray. I give you that. Trim, flawless. You got all the bumper guard, on the impact strip. Yeah, did yourself on this. I like it. Y'all outdid yourself, Real. It's mud clean. Huh? Exclusive. Exclusive. First one to see it. When they say I could drop this banger, just know he came all the way correct. Like, comment, subscribe. ARC Automotive, Bond _34 SIT. Appreciate you. And we out here.